That's the price. Because when I know you have Jesus, but there's a newness you need to be born into. Go back the spiritual house. Are you fully religion? Are you fully dentalo kulegayo? Are you fully tanders of medalo? Are you fully shaya match? It's a forget the old and behold the new. What's a good for like your mom is on Jana match? Fulani knows about prison, Fulani Jordan. But I want no one reminding me of Moses. Before Moses was, I was already there. I want no one reminding me of Abraham. Before Abraham was, I was already. So stop reminding me of what I did in the old. Step into the new. That's when Nicodemus was contemplating. Is that even possible for a man to forget? Is that even possible? Ukuthi ngivele kube ngathi angizalwanga before ispell zami. Uvele kube ngathi uthi angazi ngikhulela esontweni ngikhulele khona. Bathi uJesu ngiqinisile ngathi